Mike, contest. Whiskey 0, Romeo Lima, Juliet, to 592610.
Whoa. Check it out, man. My man here, he was hitting 10 dB over 9. And please note, this is on a 40 meter dipole, inverted V, up in the tree. And it's got a reasonable match. I mean, I think the SWR would be less than 2.5 to 1. So the antenna is not ideal. And note that I'm not using any preamp. Welcome, cycle 25.
Tango Mike 6 Mike, Tango Mike 6 Mike, contest. Siki contest, Tango Mike 6 Mike, Tango Mike 6 Mike, contest.
Of course, he's running probably a gain antenna and a directional antenna and a lot of power, but I don't care. It's 15 meters. 2 years ago, you'd have not have heard him at all.
Tango Mike 6 Mike, Tango Mike 6 Mike, contest.
Man, and you know what I love about 15 meters and 10 meters when the band is open? I don't run any preamp. You don't have to. We get so used to hearing band noise, guys. And so you go to 15 or 10 meters and you start cranking in preamp because you think that it doesn't sound right. And then somebody starts transmitting and they rock you out of your chair, right? I don't run any, and you'll quickly get used to tuning back and forth across a nice quiet band and listening to the signals just pop. Even if they're S2, they'll pop. It's wild. Listen how quiet. Hard to tune the radio when I'm looking at the camera.
235, thank you, good night, you all back, Florida 1, United, Victoria, November. Florida 1, Uniform, Victoria, Norway, French 1, United, Victoria, November. Foxtrot 1, United, Victoria, Norway, French 1, Uniform, Victoria, November, can I?
You know what I've noticed about this Yaesu rig? Let me turn the fast function off. I've noticed that about half the signals sound more normal if I tune 50 hertz off. I wonder if it's a difference between ICOM and Yaesu. Come on, man. Really, man? Wow, he's still in there, but he's so down. Deep QSB. Come on. No, he sounds more normal to me. Boy, this is tricky. When you want to tune the radio, I have to shift my eyes up from the phone screen to the rig. Otherwise, the lag is terrible.
Mexico 5, Nancy, contest. Six to contest. Tango, Mexico 5, Nancy. Tango, Mike 5, November, contest. With Victor Alpha 3, Radio, Tango, Golf. Thank you, you are 594, watch 4. 254, Georgia, thank you, 73. Tango, Mexico 5, 1992. Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Contact. Secure contact. Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Contact.
Huge signals today, man.
Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Delta Kilo 9 India Papa. Contact.
Signals, huge ones, raining down on Blozo from all over Europe. Welcome, Cycle 25. 73, guys. Take care now.
Golf Sierra 4 Hotel Golf Foxtrot Golf Alpha Yankee Hotel 2 India Alpha India India